Good morning, everybody. Getting ready to leave here in about an hour or so. But give y'all a quick tour of Next Step Hostel. So when you come in, you have a little hiker box shelf and games and books and stuff. You got a bed here. And remember, this place is donation based and everything is included. You got laundry, they provide the soap and stuff. Got bathroom, kitchen, microwave, coffee pot, TV with a bunch of DVDs, little couch. Coat racks. Then go upstairs. Turn the light on. Up here is the bunk room. Right there was my bunk. Got everything taken off of it. Oh. Glad I come up here. But yeah, but this was such a great stop. Like, this place is awesome. The people running it, they're such nice people. And donations are accepted, but they're not required. So they basically saying if you can't afford it, or whatever, just basically you can stay here for free if you wanted to. Now, I didn't do that. I put all the cash I had in my wallet in the donation jar over there, which was, I don't know, about 25 bucks. But yeah, they told me like 3 or 4 times you don't have to leave a donation. Just stay, relax, and this place can be a vortex. And he was 100% right. I woke up this morning, did not want to pack my bike up. This place, it just feels like home in a way. It's just so peaceful, so relaxing. Man, I got some of the best rest I've gotten this whole trip here. I was the only person in the hostel. I had basically the whole place to myself. It was just such a great time. Relaxing time, and yeah, highly recommend Next Step Hostel if you find yourself on the Pinhoti Trail, or if you're biking the Alabama Skyway or the Eastern Divide route, or if you just come through here for whatever reason. Highly recommend stopping at Next Step Hostel in Talladega, Alabama. for today. But yeah, sorry I didn't record anything there towards the end. It was windy as crap today, and it was all a headwind. That's why I didn't really talk much, didn't really give any updates throughout the day, because you just would not have been able to hear me. The couple times I did do a little update and then I recorded it back, you could not hear a word I was saying. But it was in the 30s today, and wind like 25 mile an hour all day long. But yeah, we left Next Step Hostel, and now I'm at the Pinhoti Outdoor Center. Got my stuff kind of scattered out everywhere around the bunk right now. But because I'm trying to decide what I want to keep and what I want to send back. Because tomorrow will be Monday and post office will be open. And I'm trying to decide if I want to hang on to my winter stuff a little bit longer just in case, or if I think it'll be safe enough to send some, at least like my down pants and stuff like that home. But yeah, it was an amazing quiet ride today. I mean, only cars and stuff I really came across after I got off the main road and onto the Alabama Skyway was just a couple cars, and then a bunch of like Jeeps and stuff going off-road and on that road. And I don't see how some of them didn't get stuck, because it was a muddy mess. Like, my bike was completely covered, all my bags were completely covered, I was completely covered in mud. But yeah, we did 40.6 today, and yeah, we ended here at the Pinhoti Outdoor Center. They picked me up off of Route 280, about a mile and a half up the road. I could have rode here, but it's a really busy highway. Speed limit's like 55 or 60. You do not want to ride a bike on that road. But yeah, anyways, I'm wore out. So yeah, I'll talk to y'all. Well, I hope you all had a great day. Have an even better night. And I will talk to y'all in the morning.